Hello there. Hey, as you saw, we were cutting down 4 relatively small trees. And anyways, as we were doing it, I turned the camera on for a minute or two, turned it off, turned it on for a minute or two. You know, I just didn't want a real boring thing going on, you know, for like 30 minutes or so. And so anyways, I turned it off, and about a minute after I turned it off, I thought, ooh, I should have kept it going. So anyways, this is why, and I'll be right back. Whew. Hey, Lord. Oh, God. Thing just hit me in the knee. I don't know if you can see it. It's that big tree there. Lord. Hey, Lord. Oh my God, take that breath right out. I thought I cracked it. I can't stand up yet. Hey, Lord. And I'm sitting in mud and sawdust. Hey, Lord. Oh my God. Hey, Lord. Oh, I gotta lay down. Oh, I didn't want to do this. Hey, Lori. It's okay, but man, cannot stand on it. I don't even know. Oh my God. It's not, Hey, Lori? It actually feels good when I'm laying on my stomach. Yeah, straight off of it. Oh, wait a minute, I got a phone. Wait a minute. The hell's the number? Oh, yeah. Good to know, in case of an emergency, Lori always answers her phone. You know what? I think I hear the vacuum running.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 5 8 5 7 0 4
don't listen to the number. Don't
4
listen to the number.
8 9 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, Laura. I'm sure by the time you get this message, I'll be feeling 100%. But for right now, if you get this message, can you come in the backyard? Right now, it just feels better when I lay down. I'll talk to you in a little bit. You look out the window, or stop vacuuming. Oh, God. That hurts. That was a solid trunk of the tree. I'm gonna give myself about another 5 minutes of just laying here. The ground is wet and dirt, and it actually feels good. It's cool. But actually my knee's starting to hurt even more now that I think, what's the word I'm looking for? when happy juices and stuff flow through you. Edelman. I think the Edelman is running off. Hey, Laura? Huh. God. Hey. Ooh. Hey, Laura? You guys suck? Okay, she's coming. She's cleaning the deck and the back off.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but I'm gonna just stay here a little bit longer.
What happened?
It actually feels good. That tree right there kicked up, and the weight of it tossed the end that you're looking at into my kneecap.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Here.
What's my knee look like?
Here, hold this.
Yeah.
Uh,
Nothing, right? Because I can tell I just couldn't
yeah,
stand.
you got a little scrape on it. It's
Okay.
but it's nothing.
Ah.
What?
No. This is. Feels like it's a hell of a lot more than that.
Yeah, I don't know.
It banged my knee pretty good, and I.
Do we need to take you to the after hours?
No, it's not that bad. It's like when you hit your bone hard, wherever it may be, shin, knee, whatever, and it just takes your breath away. But I'm not getting up yet. That's a bummer.
Try and drink something. I think that's enough for today.
Yeah, I just feel muddy though. I don't know if I can drink this right now. Or I feel sweaty, muddy. What is that? Then be a sweat or sweat or muddy? It doesn't.
How did it kick up? What do you mean it kicked up? Were you throwing it in there and it came back at you?
Yeah, I was doing it the lazy way, and I was gonna just push it over like a totem pole, and it caught that other thing, and the weight of the tree was more on my end, so it just came right back.
Okay. Well, we got to get you inside and just get ice on it. And I can
I
finish
gotta
this
take
up.
a
I could just put pants on and...
I gotta take a shower before I do any of
Yeah.
that. Just leave this here. It's not much more to go, and I can get it whenever.
Can I get you a cane to get up? And get up the hill?
That may not be a bad
Okay,
idea.
let me go do that.
Oh gosh. I don't even know. You're probably looking at the ground or something here. What am I doing here? Is this even still going? Yeah, it's still going. Sorry guys for a boring 7 minutes here. Kinda missed the most exciting part of this because the camera was off, but I was going ooh at first. It just caught me by surprise, let me put it that way. You know, I had 25 acres I cleared out at one time for the kids to have trails and everything on when we had the land and the farm, and nothing ever even happened. I got a little postage stamp right now, an electric freaking, not spark plug, tree saw. And this happens on a postage stamp size yard. But it's gonna happen. To me. It's gonna happen to me. Not anybody else. But it will happen to me. Okay. I think Lori might be vacuuming again. Right after she vacuums, she'll probably come out with the cane she promised to bring out. Now she's cleaning the kitchen counters. I know she's disinfecting the counters. Then she'll do a load of laundry, and then she'll be out here. This is never fun. You know, just for future references, if you need it, if you get hurt, really find some kind of wet, moist mud, and it feels cool, and it makes whatever hurts feel better. Yeah, I highly recommend that. In fact, we only got about 10 more minutes of work out here. Look how close we were to the end. And that was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different trees that we cut up. We got some new neighbors. Welcome to the neighborhood. The Texans. But they ain't got no horses. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go up to the house and get the cane myself, bring it down to me, and then I'll have one. It'd be quicker. Okay.
I couldn't find the cane. I was looking everywhere for it. I found
really?
walking sticks.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know where the cane is.
It's right near as you go into from the garage to the house.
Yeah.
It's against that wall there.
Can you use these?
It's right next to the steps. Yeah. I'm gonna just turn this off right here. Let me see here. Oh, there it is. Hey, just wanted to pop back in for just a couple seconds just to say that everything's all honky-dory. Nothing's, the knee is, pretty much what you would expect it to feel like now. But anyways, everything's good, just in case any of the millions of followers out there wanted to know. And of course, Lori, my wife, my better half, came down and looks and says, "We're too old for this. That's why we gotta hire people to do this." Alright, so anyways, maybe I'll look in Craigslist. Okay, but like I said, I just want to say everything's cool. Oh, you know what? And if you're faint-hearted and soft-stomached, you may not want to see it. It's really gross. But here, let me show you my knee. Okay, watch this here.